We are Team Pinky Dinkies. I'm team leader Jorge Gurrola.
Randy Olguin,
Celeste Vazquez,
Soto,
Misael Ortega,
Valerie Montelon,
Celine Vazquez,
and Liu,
Jailene Cornejo,
Beatriz, Prado.
We are East Los Angeles College Engineering and Technology students. We are currently enrolling Professor Davidian's GE101 course during the summer 2019 session. We will now be demonstrating our final Stirling engine design project.
the body of our Stirling engine is composed of two aluminum cans, which acts as our cylinder.
At the bottom, we have our pressure chamber, which includes our displacer made of steel wool and a metal wire.
Displacer is connected by a wire to the shaft.
The connecting rod is connected to the displacer, which is connected to the crankshaft.
The PVC pipe is connected to the pressure chamber, which holds the power piston. The balloon diaphragm and metal wire are connected to the crankshaft, which acts as a power piston.
The flywheel is composed of the CD connected to the crankshaft and is used to build momentum in the engine.
Air rises within the pressure chamber into the PVC pipe, which inflates the balloon and turns the crankshaft.
The crankshaft's mechanical energy can then be used to power up multiple devices.
We will now present our Stirling engine. We will now conduct an efficiency test by removing the heat source from the fire chamber. We will now place back our heat source into the fire chamber. This concludes our Stirling engine design project. Thank you for watching.